Let's see how we are doing from the outside. Everything is the same except this cable, but from the inside there's a lot of change. So as you can see, I bring the workbench. Just close door. I bring the workbench and bikes. I already start working on Yamaha, so new videos are coming. Kawasaki will wait till I get this baby ready for season. I done the workbench also, work table. I use combination of hooks and screws and magnets. For my tool, I build this shelf there, mount this one, put the wall, and just decoration. I burned it just for decoration, so it'd be easy, the same as up there. Starting to bring my equipment, and here is gonna be sitting area, and I didn't have enough paint, as you can see, so I need to finish that. I'll show you later. There's also a table ready, wheels. I put the shelf, I put the new electricity, everything is tied up, everything working perfect. I have many sockets, 4 of them over the table. For now, I will continue with stuff like this, you know, find a place for every tool and bit so I can reach it easily and start working on Yamaha. I have a couple of more things, you know, need to put the lamps here and here, but that will wait because I'm eager to get ready for this season with the bike. But you know, parallelly I will try to finish. For example, this is the old reflector from outside. I put the wires for a new one and have a new one to install. LED. There's a couple of, you know, bits here and there, but mostly I'm finished. So a lot of work behind me. See you.